Hi, today I'll be discussing with Romain and Girard from SMAC the Soft-LandTM function that can be used on SMAC's linear actuators. Well, hi Romain, thank you for joining us.
Hi Maisy.
So, do you want us to jump in and get started in telling us what is Soft-LandTM?
Yeah, sure. So Soft-LandTM is a trademarked and patented functions from SMAC. It consists in finding a surface at an unknown distance, could be anywhere in space, and you would do that by landing on that surface with a really low speed and a low programmed force.
So how gentle can it be?
It can be really gentle. You can see on the video we can approach the surface of a coin, soft land on that coin without tilting it.
And so why would you need that function?
You would use this function for the handling of delicate, fragile or high value components such as electrical chips, for example. You want to make sure you are not damaging it, marking them in any way during the process.
And how does it work?
So on that demo you can see we start by doing a position move at a high speed until we reach a safe position, which is far enough from the product to not damage it in any way. And from that position, we switch to a velocity mode with a low force. And at that point, we then measure the position error. And when that position error goes above a certain trigger, we have found the surface. So you can also try and see the kind of force that is applied by the carriage.
Oh, very good. So now that you found the surface, what would happen next?
Really depends on the application. You've got many options. From that point, you can simply take the measurements from the linear encoder. So if you're measuring the size of the component, you can push on the product. So you have now found that surface and you apply a force. So you can have that control of an assembly process between two components. Or you can simply retract if it was an operation of making sure the part was where it was supposed to be. Or in the case of actuator with a rod, fitted with a vacuum option, you could also activate the vacuum at that stage. So you are picking up the parts and you have the guarantee that the part was there at the time you activate the vacuum, in that case of pick and place application.
Okay, so is this Soft-LandTM function utilized in all of SMAC's linear actuators?
Yes, all our actuators are capable of doing that function. Linear actuators, even our rotary actuators can use that function.
Okay, perfect. Well, thank you, Romain.
Thank you.
And thank you for watching. If you have any more questions, please feel free to contact us at the information below. Thank you.